We got a lot going on here today, guys. Look at what's going on in the restaurant today. Quite noisy, but can't stop progress.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
These gentlemen are constructing our bar. And no, that's not the size of our bar, before all of you ask. That is actually going to be a light bar and a wine glass and glass holder, stemware holder that hangs above the bar. This is actually the bar top. Right here, they are cutting it out right now. And they just got stuff laying everywhere. They got this thing. This bar is going to be popped up here in no time. The signs are going up. Check it out, guys. I'll turn it around here. They're coming down and they're going up. Yeah, you're a star. Say hey. All the signs are getting ready to go up. The red doors is coming down. Work in progress, guys. It's happening. Every day, something new. More to come.
Yeah, getting closer, friends. Getting closer.
Several people are walking up, trying to come in, walk-ins. Looks like a good spot. You got a lot of people trying to walk in and book.
Yeah, we're ready for reservation.
Just pulling in the parking lot. And yes, we do have a little bit of parking here, guys. Well, of course, we have to help reserve a spot for the Human Rims, who's here, the shoe store. And looks like if they get one, we got an extra one over here. We got a smaller spot. We'll try to reserve that for them. Maybe this one as well. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parking spots, and as well as across the street, there's additional parking across the street. So all of you guys that are wondering about parking here, we do have some parking spots available for those who are driving to the hotel versus triking or taking a grab over here. Once you get in town, there are some spots here. Signage going here. Signage going on the big box right here, the lit up box. We also have new signage coming up here. We also have the red doors sign here being replaced as well. So we'll have plenty of visibility on the road from either side, either direction. You'll be able to see our signage. And of course, down the road, this big octagon sign up here that we have will be covered as well in the near future with a round lit up light box. So you'll be able to see us from Clark, even as you're driving down the highway in Clark over here. So yeah, we got plenty of visibility to be able to find us, even though we're nestled in between two taller buildings right here, the red doors, or the red planet rather. We're nestled in between these two taller buildings, the Savannah. You'll be able to see us. We're going to be lit up like a Christmas tree here, guys. Plenty of walk-ins coming in, trying to come in and rent. I said, look, you want to come in here and rent with all this construction? Why not? Also want to mention this ATM right here in our parking lot. Works all the time. It seems like every time I've been here to get money out, it's been good. And this is one that doesn't eat your card. This one exposes your card the whole time. It doesn't go in the machine. So that's a bonus. This is the type of ATM you want to use here in the Philippines and Angeles City. That's a feeling of safeness that you get when you throw your card in the machine. You always wonder if you're going to get your card back out, right? Well, this one won't eat your card. It's right there for you to pull out anytime you want to. All right, the oven has arrived. Delivery of the oven. It's got a base made for it here. That's the way to do that, right? Oven's here, guys. Let's take a peek.
they did red on everything.
Oh, they did it all red up, redded it all up.
And it worked.
It's awesome.
Yeah, it's fine. Cool.
Fire truck red.
Yeah, it is. Hot, red hot.
Ooh, red hot. My biscuits are burning. My biscuits are burning.
Yeah, we won't even know. It's gonna be red hot. Here's a look at the face. Custom made oven. Can't wait to make some biscuits in this bad boy. Look at that. All right, we'll get a better look at it inside the kitchen. All right, coming through. Keep on going. There we go. To the kitchen. I'm sure this thing ain't too light. Watch your step, guys. So you're gonna fit through the door? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Custom made.
Custom made for the door. There we go.
So you know, the red adds color. I'm glad it is red. Actually,
Yeah, we got the red.
everything was stainless steel, and I wanted the stainless steel one. And at first, I was a little disappointed because the stainless steel one was a little bit more expensive.
Yeah, we
I
went
said,
red.
okay, we'll save some money, give us the red one.
Yeah, why
But
not?
now that I see it, I'm glad.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. You see the connector in the back. We've got a new table coming in. Excellent. Now this one might not fit through the door. I don't know how this is going to get in. This might be a little tough getting through this door. Gonna have to turn it, make it in. Oh my goodness. Yeah, perfect. Hey, there's a will, there's a way. We'll make it fit. And we got us a rack. Got a cooling rack here. Nice. That's put a lot of biscuits on, guys. We can put a lot of biscuits on that rack.